But y'all know I'm a texture girl, so yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm doing the third installment, I believe, in the rating PR packages under 20 seconds video. This video is always a struggle for me because I love to talk. But at the same time, I love doing this video, this series on my channel because I get so much PR every single week. And while I love testing things out, it is important for me to bring you guys both the things that I like and the things that don't work for me, because I always say I might dislike this, but that might be the reason why you love it. So I know that not everybody who watches me has the same skin type as me, has the same preferences. I think it's good to get a well-rounded view and overview of the things that I like and dislike. So that's what we're gonna do today in 20 seconds or less. Now, y'all know I like to talk. Send your prayers, they are welcomed. So yeah, if you want to see an interesting, funny, and 100% honest review of a bunch of PR goodies, then please keep watching. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content. Of course, go ahead and leave me a like. It helps to let me know that you guys like this content. Now, I have said before, even if a lot of people don't watch it or like it, I'm gonna continue to do it because I think it's just so fun and this feeds my creativity. But liking definitely helps to get me in the YouTube algorithm to really boost my channel to the rest of the world. And also, if you keep coming back and watching, why aren't you subscribed? So definitely subscribe. I put out an array of content, but I really love focusing on product reviews because, like, I'm a product junkie. So let's get into this. I always like to leave a disclaimer because I think it's important. These products were all sent to me in PR, which means said company thought it would be a great idea to send me their products so that I could hopefully review them for you guys. Now, when influencers are sent PR, it is with no obligation to post, review, talk highly about it, lie about it. And you guys know that I'm always going to be honest. There are things that I'm going to share today that I love. There are things that I don't necessarily care for, and there are things that I like, but I'm still not going to purchase with my own money. And I think it's okay to have all of those opinions. I share with you guys tons of things I love every month, and it's okay to sprinkle in the things that I'm not loving so much. So let's get 20 seconds on the timer and let's see how we do this time. Last time I started doing a little better. Let's put 20 seconds on the timer, and we are going to start with the Olaplex number 4D, and it's the Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo. Basically, this is a good dry shampoo, but it's not very powerful. You guys know my favorite would be the Charcoal Detox by IGK. If you just like a light dry shampoo, this is going to be effective. It does work nice. It does give you good volume, but all dry shampoos do that. 1 second. I like it. I don't think I would purchase it on my own because the IGK one is so much more powerful and my hair gets very oily. This is 1 week old hair and it is already flat. So I like this. I will continue to use it, but I wouldn't purchase it. There's nothing wrong with it. There are just more powerful ones, but it doesn't give you helmet head. Like with some dry shampoos, I'm going way over my 20 seconds. Some dry shampoos can give you helmet head if you use too much. This won't do that. Okay, next product. Let's talk about the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. Wow, wow, wow. 20 seconds on the clock. I was highly shocked that I loved this item. Now, I always tell you guys, Glow Recipe is one of those brands that I'm like iffy about. A lot of products I think are very gimmicky surrounding the ingredients and the scents. This is really nice. If you have dry skin, oh my gosh, I have 1 second left. What the heck? If you have really dry skin, this is going to be great for you. It also helps to remove makeup. It's very creamy and hydrating. I love it. I'm shocked. I don't usually love much from Glow Recipe, but this is really nice. If you have dry skin, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna save this to use it during winter. 20 seconds is not enough time to get out your thoughts. Like, I know I like talking a lot, but damn. The next product, let's keep it in the Glow Recipe family. It's the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. 20 seconds on the clock. I also loved this. Like, Who am I? Like, Glow Recipe, thank you so much. Basically, if you have really dry skin, you're gonna love this. This is even more hydrating and creamy than hyaluronic acid. So if you have like eczema or really dry skin, you're gonna love this. It's a serum, it has a creamy texture. I'll show you guys. I'm not doing very well this time. I have too much to say, but let me show you the texture. It's very, very creamy. It's almost like a lotion, but it's very, very hydrating. I mean, it does smell like avocados, but this product is really, really great. I was highly, 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 highly shocked that I liked this so much. I would use this. So ceramides are really, really hydrating. Before using this, I was using the Fresh Green Tea Elixir. Don't spend $80 on that. Just get this. It works the same. It's the same thing. Love it. And this is probably like a quarter of the price. That avocado line is really, my skin is so hot. On to the next. Let's keep it in the green family. My next product is the Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. Ooh, spicy. 20 seconds on the clock. So I did review this on my Instagram. I'll leave that down below if you're not following me. I like this, but it's not my favorite. This is a creamy product. It's a retinol. Retinol speeds up skin cell turnover, which means you get renewed skin more quickly. I am not doing well today. So basically, if you want a great anti-aging product, retinol is it because it speeds up the amount of time it takes to regenerate new cells, which that process slows down as you get older. This has a creamy texture that I don't like. I'm gonna keep it in my arsenal for when I run out of my retinol. It's a great product. I just don't like the formula. It's also scented. That can be a deterrent. It's not bad. I just don't like the texture. But y'all know I'm texture specific. Okay, my next product I'm so excited to talk to you guys about. This is the Josie Maran Argan Sugar Balm Body Scrub. Let's put 20 seconds on the clock. Okay, this is amazing. I'm not the biggest fan of Josie Maran body care anymore, just because I found other brands that work just the same but have better packaging. I don't like this packaging. It's very aesthetic. I mean, it looks nice in your bathroom. It has this little flip cap. It's a very, very thick sugar scrub with not a lot of oil that like rises to the top. You know how some scrubs have that oily residue sitting on top? This doesn't have it. It also comes with a cute little scooper. Okay, this is a minute-long review. In short, this works really well. I just don't like the packaging. This is too much to have to do in the shower. I don't like it. I will keep it and use it on days when I have a little more time to dedicate to my shower routine, but this is really, really hydrating and makes your skin so smooth. Just like my Osea body scrub, the salt scrub that I like, it's the same thing as this. That one is just a smoother texture. It has more oil content in it, but after you use this product, the water will bead up on your skin because your skin will be so hydrated. Like, this is amazing. This is a 2-minute review. It's okay. This scent is strawberries and whipped cream. I don't really smell that, but amazing. Maybe if I'm taking a bath and I just want to be very luxurious and set the mood, but I don't like the packaging. It's great though. And going along with that, we have the Josie Maran Argan Infinity Intensive Creamy Oil. So let's put 20 seconds on the clock. Okay, I like this product. I've had this before. It's basically an argan oil balm that you can apply to your hands, your lips, your face. It's just not necessary to me. I would probably only use it as a hand cream. I'll probably keep it in my car just for emergencies, but it's not my favorite, but it's not bad. There are people who really love this, and Josie Maran's argan oil is the staple ingredient in all her products. So if you really want something that's thick and almost like the texture of Vaseline, you'll like this. I just don't like the texture, but it's a good product. Okay, next, let's talk about First Aid Beauty Ingrown Hair Pads. So these are pads to exfoliate your skin so that you don't get ingrown hairs. I love these. I've tried these pads before, but they recently came out with a bigger container, which was my con with the previous container. It only held about 15. I love these. I use them on my bikini area to help prevent any ingrown hairs. You use these 2 days in a row, your hair bumps, your ingrown hair, gone. Gone, okay? It's an expensive product, but if you are prone to ingrown hairs, this works really well. It's physical or manual exfoliation because it's a pad, but also the acids in here work to chemically exfoliate your skin and the pores. Amazing. I use it 2 times, no more bumps, no more raised skin, no more ingrown hair. Amazing. Okay, next product, the Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. 20 seconds on the clock. I love this. The only problem and the only con is that this is so damn expensive. I want to say it's about $90 for 2 ounces of product. It's too expensive, but it really exfoliates your skin well. I've used it again today. It works amazingly. I tried this first years ago when I was working in the beauty industry. And it's a really effective product. If you have sensitive skin, I would steer clear because it's very, very abrasive. You dampen your skin, massage this product into your skin with your hands, and then you rinse it and wipe it off. It's just very, very intense and expensive. Like, why? So I'm gonna finish using this, yes. If you don't mind spending $100 upwards for a scrub, then buy it. If you do, like myself, then there are other things that work just as well. Y'all know I'm always gonna be expensive. Just because I'm sent something doesn't mean I have to love it and will purchase it myself. And I won't if I don't think it's worth it. My next product is the Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer with Ceramides and niacinamide, also with the prebiotic thermal water, which is their very hydrating face water. Okay, 20 seconds on the clock. I like this, but not the texture. I would say if you have normal to combo skin, you're gonna like this. It almost has the texture of like a thinner, like a lotion. It absorbs into your skin really nicely, but it's just too thick. Along with most of La Roche-Posay's line, it is also unscented. It's like the texture is between something for normal skin and dry skin. It's not my favorite. It's a little too thick for me. I prefer more of a gel texture, so I'm gonna pass on this. It is something that I'll keep in my arsenal just to use one day, but I think if you have normal skin, this is probably best for you. I don't like the texture, but it does work well and hydrates nicely. It's just not for me. La Roche-Posay also has really, really great effective products that are not too expensive, so shout out to them. I do love a lot of their line, but everything just won't work for me, and that's okay. Okay, our last product, OMG, Lancome Advanced Genifique, and this is an anti-aging serum concentrate. 20 seconds on the clock. Okay, so I started using this in my 20s when I was working in the beauty industry, and I loved it. Now in my 30s using it, I do like it. I've only been using it for about a month. I find that the biggest con for me is that it pills up on my skin when I apply products after. So I can really only use this at night because when I use it during the day and I rub my face, it's like I'm almost peeling skin. Not peeling skin, but you know how when you put on products that roll up on your skin, this does that. So I'm not the biggest fan of that, but it is a nice anti-aging product. It does have a lot of hydration. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and this is supposed to help fix luminosity, fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, dullness, dehydrated skin, loss of firmness. It's basically an all-in-one serum. I do like it. I just don't think it's for me. So I'm gonna use this up and that'll be it. And I will go back to my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair for the spring and summer and my Clarins Double Serum for the fall and winter. I don't like the fact that it peels up, but y'all know I'm a texture girl, so yeah. That's the end of this video. I tried my best to stay with the 20 seconds, but y'all know that I love to talk. I hope this video kind of gave you guys more insight into how I pick and choose the products that I do. I love trying new products. I try new products every month, and as you can see, most of the things here, with the exception of this, are not acids, and you can try a new product every day. I wouldn't try too many retinols in one month because retinols take a long time to see the results, and also they are a harsh ingredient, though this one is pretty gentle. Yeah, not everything is going to work for me, and that's okay, but even if I don't like it, maybe you guys will like it, and I always share what I love, so I enjoy sharing the things that I maybe like or don't enjoy too much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!